This is the first sailing day of the St. Martin Heineken Regatta.
Today they've sailed the Commodore's Cup with lots of wind, as you can see. Describe this race in 3 words.
Fun, difficult, salty. Hi.
What makes you guys the best crew in the regatta?
Just the attitude. Everybody's so excited. We are just pumped for this race. This is the biggest race in the Caribbean, and we can't wait.
What else more would you want? This is it. This is what it's all about.
So epic, epic. Great parties, great boating, beautiful boats.